car is Landry Potter. Inside row 2 is the 146 of Nick Clubb. Outside of Nick Clubb in the 16 car of Matthew Clossy. Inside row 3, the 66 of Nick Stremme. Outside of Nick Stremme in the 27, that is James Swan. And back there by himself in the 42, that is Adam Cartwright. Here they come, they come. Great flag, and we're racing.
That 64 machine of Dean Patterson trying to hold on to 91 of Landry Potter in turns 1. Along the backstretch they go.
And Landry Potter almost hit the wall on that one.
Yeah, the 91 taking it a little bit too high. 64 of Dean Patterson.
And here comes Matthew Clossy sliding into position 3. Here comes James Swan, also going to pass Nick Clubb in that 146 car.
Yeah, a lot of problems on the inside. Try and work it for the outside and see if he can do some damage out there. But out front, that 64 of Dean Patterson set the pace.
As they're coming around, Matthew Clossy looking to the inside of James Swan, driving that 27 modified. Always cool-looking cars out there. So in this race, looks like we got a Mid-American, a Sportsman, a modified, a late model, another Mid-American, a Sportsman, and a Sportsman.
Left, 4 laps in. Battle out front. Patterson trying to hold off Potter.
And it's Swan and Potter battling for second. Potter looking to challenge Patterson on the inside. Clossy looking to make it 3 wide.
It turns 1 and 2, and they surely did. As Patterson still coming out front. Potter trying to hold off the Swan. Watch out for Clossy in that 16 underneath.
Coming around here just past the halfway mark here with 6 more to go. It's Swan. Oh, it's Clossy into Potter. Look out.
Potter slides to the inside to the seat. Go with it, John.
All right, they're now in the Raw Steel Collision Center restart zone. Here they come, they come, they come. Green flag, and we're racing.
Going to try and hold out front. Battle's going to be in that 2nd and 3rd spot.
Here comes Swan, challenging for the lead. James Swan, a super late model driver, also at Rockford.
Swan is now out front. 146 of Clubb trying to hang in there and battle Patterson for that 2nd spot. Stremme in the 66, rounding off your top 4.
Wow, James Swan trying to pull away from everybody else here as he is doing so. The 146 of Nick Clubb getting away from Dean Patterson now as he takes 2nd place. Here comes the 66 of Nick Stremme, grabbing onto 3rd, or trying to, I should say, as Dean Patterson battling back now. Whoa, Patterson kissing the wall there as he made contact and sparks flew.
42 of Adam Cartwright. Going to try and find a way. Him and Potter trying to find a way around Patterson. But out front, it's Swan. Ever since Swan got out front, he's making it look easy.
Got a battle in back between Adam Cartwright and Landry Potter. Thought Landry Potter maybe forgot the brakes and was going to run right in the back of Adam Cartwright. But right now, our leader coming around on the white flag is going to be James Swan.
Second, Stremme 3rd, Patterson now in that 4th spot. Cartwright rounding off the top 5. Trouble with that 91 machine of Landry Potter. See if he can find his way off the backstretch. But here's your winner, the 27th machine of James Swan.
Yeah, that last couple laps there, as I saw it, like I said, Landry Potter coming into turn 3. Looked like there was a lot of trouble maybe with the brakes or steering as he ended up just tapping into the back of the 42 of Adam Cartwright. I'm sure Landry Potter will get that car fixed. Definitely a veteran driver, has driven all over. But right now, pulling up into victory lane in a modified. Normally drives a 97 car. Today in a 27 car. As he's going to get out here shortly. Ladies and gentlemen, let him hear ya. As he's going to get out of the car.